Good morning. Today we are going to see about numbers. Maths is whole about numbers. Everything that you learn in mathematics is nothing but the different forms of numbers. In lower class, we studied about the numbers and operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this section, let us know how to identify the place value of digits and comparison between the numbers. Students, maintain a separate notebook for mathematics. Listen carefully to this session. Note down all the important points in your maths note. Counting numbers. The numbers that we use for counting are called counting numbers. They start with 1. They are 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. These counting numbers are also called natural numbers. Therefore, we can define the natural number as follows. The collection of all counting numbers is known as natural numbers. Students, before going to the topic, we just recall what is meant by successor and what is meant by predecessor. Successor. When 1 is added to a number, we get its successor. For example, the successor of 5 is 6. How we get the successor? Just we have to add 1 from this number, we get the answer 6. Next one is predecessor. When 1 is subtracted from a number, we get its predecessor. For example, the predecessor of 6 is 5. How you get the predecessor? Just you have to subtract 1 from this number, you get its answer 5. Note, every natural number has a successor because there is no largest number. Successor and predecessor are reverse of each other. For example, 20 is a successor of 19 and 19 is a predecessor of 20. Every number except 1 as a predecessor in case of natural number. This is because 1 minus 1 equal to 0 and 0 is not a natural number. Natural numbers start with 1. 0 is a whole number. Formation of large numbers. As we already know that greatest one digit number is 9, greatest two digit number is 99, greatest three digit number is 999, greatest four digit number is 9999, greatest five digit number is 99999. Now let us observe the given pattern here. 9 is the greatest one digit number. When we add 1 to that number, we get the answer 10, which means smallest two digit number. When we add 1 to the greatest two digit number, we get the answer smallest three digit number. When we add 1 to the greatest three digit number, we get the answer smallest four digit number. When we add 1 to the greatest four digit number, we get the answer smallest five digit number.
Now, let's listen to the conversation between two friends.
Hi Vinay,
Hi Vandana.
do you know what is the least seven-digit number?
Yes, it is 1000000.
Do you know what is the highest seven-digit number?
Yes, it is 9999999.
What will happen if we add 1 to that number?
If we add 1, it will become 1 crore, which is the smallest 8-digit number.
Place value. Place value can be defined as a value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Do you know how many students are there in your class? The number of students in your class would be the two-digit number or at the maximum three-digit number. These are smaller numbers. But if you ask the number of students in a city, definitely it would be the large number. To understand a number, there are two most important things to know. One is face value and another one is place value of each of its digits. Let us revise the concept of how to do the expansion using the place value. Here the first question is 2-digit number is given. 5 in the place of ones, 8 in the place of tens. 85 can be written as 80 plus 5. It cannot be changed, right? 80 plus 5 is 85. To find the expanded form, you have to just multiply the number by the respective place value. 5 in the place of ones, right? 8 in the place of tens. 8 in the place of tens, no, just multiply by 10 plus 5 in the place of ones, just multiply by 1. And the next one is 3-digit number is given 685. 5 in the place of ones, 8 in the place of tens and 6 in the place of 100. 685 can be written as 600 plus 85. And let break the number 85 as 80 plus 5. 600 plus 80 plus 5 is 685. To find the expanded form, you just multiply the number by the respective place value. Here 6 into 100 is given. 6 in the place of 100, just multiply by 100. Plus 8 in the place of 10, just multiply by 10. And 5 in the place of 1, just multiply by 1. Now we will discuss two types of number system according to which the number can be written in an easier way. The two types of number systems are Indian system and international system. Let us now study about this. Indian system. According to the Indian system, the place value chart is divided into 4 groups: 100, 1000, lakh and crore. Each group is divided into subgroups. They are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore and goes on. Next topic is using of commas in appropriate places. Indian system of numeration. Before going to put the commas, we just recall the Indian system place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. In Indian system, we use the commas from the right. The first comma comes before 100th place. 3 digit from the right. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here the first comma you have to mark. And the second comma comes before the 10,000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here you have to mark the second comma. Thus we can read the number 8654,321 easily as a 86,54,321. In the international system of numeration, we use ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and it goes on. We can easily understand both the Indian and international system from the following table. Next one is international system of numeration. International system place value start with ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. The first comma should be marked before the 100th place. That means 3 digit from the right. And the second comma should be marked before the 100,000 place. And the number 5672143 can be easily read as 5,672,143.
Using of commas in appropriate places in large numbers. We have often used commas while writing numbers. Commas help us in reading and writing large numbers. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then lakhs, crores, and so on. Let's see the conversation between teacher and student on usage of comma. What is a comma? Comma is a punctuation mark indicating a pause between parts of a sentence or separating items in a list. How to use it? Let us go into details of using commas in numbers. See the number shown on the screen. Here, the first comma should come after hundreds place. That is, 3 digits from the right and marks thousands. The second comma comes 2 digits later, that is 5 digits from the right. It comes after 10,000's place and marks lakh. The third comma should come after 10 lakhs place and marks crore. Varun, read out these numbers using commas. 5,78,97,451. 89,24,56,321. 78,65,46,632.
Comparing and ordering of number. With the help of numbers, we can count living and non-living objects. For example, number of chocolates, number of marbles, number of birds and etc. Number help us to identify which collection of object is bigger. We must note that the number should not start with 0 because it has no place value. Comparison of numbers. We are familiar with the concept of comparing numbers and finding the biggest among them. We use these symbols to compare any two numbers. Here, as we already know that the number 9 is greater than 8. Put the greatest symbol near to the 9. Now let us find the comparison between two numbers in case of higher order. First, check the digits. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Both are 4-digit numbers. To compare these two numbers, first check the digits that are in the 1000 place. That means 6. Here the 1000 place value is 6. Both are same. So go for the next value which is in the 100 place. Here the 100 place value is 4. Here the 100 place value is 5. 5 is the greatest number. So we conclude that 6532 is the greatest number. Let us perform an activity based on Indian system and international system. Here the first question is, write the following numbers in the Indian system and international system by using commas. For Indian system, you have to use the first comma after the 3 digits, the second comma after 2 digits later, and the third comma after 2 digits later. And for international system, you have to use all the commas after the 3 digits. Then the second question is, write the number names of the following numerals in the Indian system and international system. Dear students, write down the answer of these questions in a separate notebook. If at all you have any doubts, kindly note it down, which will be clarified on the reopendi for these questions. Students, here I attach the additional link to recall the session.